Thanks to Lenovo and AMD for sponsoring today's video.
What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and as you can see, I'm not home or in the studio. You know what that means. Today, I guess we're not teching out a space, but we're making a desk setup. This is actually Carl's space. You guys have seen him on the channel. You hear him in the background all the time. Today, we're gonna do something a little bit special. We're gonna do a desk setup for him. It is going to be a surprise, but I gotta give a huge shout out to Lenovo for not only sponsoring today's video, but sending the stuff that we're gonna be giving away to little old Carl. Now, this desk setup isn't gonna be over the top, but it's going to be super functional for him, and he should be really, really happy.
So we quickly got to work on getting this setup together, and my idea was to have it be a clean, minimal gaming setup that matched the vibe of his place, which has a lot of black going on, so a black desk was absolutely needed. Most importantly, let's talk about the laptop we're using for this setup. Right here we have the Lenovo Legion Slim 7, which is the thinnest and lightest gaming laptop Legion has ever made, but still manages to be powerful enough to game on. And that's thanks to it being equipped with an AMD Ryzen 9 5000 series mobile processor. Now, if you couldn't tell by the slim form factor, this laptop is definitely meant to be taken around. Even with a 15-inch display, the Slim 7 offers a ton of power along with that portability. And like I said before, this thing has a 15-inch 4K display with an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX processor, 16 gigs of RAM, not to mention a 1TB SSD for fast, dependable storage. And you can experience the ultimate performance and battery life with the Legion Slim 7, powered by the top-of-the-line AMD Ryzen 9 5000 series mobile processor. With 8 ultra-fast cores, AMD Ryzen 5000 series mobile processors deliver high-end performance and incredibly fast frame rates while gaming. This laptop was created to ensure the maximum audio-visual experience while getting the most game time out of its battery life, making it the ultimate gaming machine that the AMD Ryzen processor powers. That's kind of everything you want to hear when it comes to these slim form factor laptops. Now, portability is one thing, but a few reasons why I think it'll work in his setup is that shadow black color for, of course, the theme, and the port selection is pretty nice, since it has 2 USB-C ports on the right sides, which can be used as an external monitor with an SD card and headphone jack on the left, and in the back, like a lot of Legion laptops have, we have the power port and 2 extra USB ports. The laptop is dope and definitely fits the vibe here, but we do have a few other things in this setup to really flesh it out, like the M500 gaming mouse. We of course had to have a gaming headset, so we got the H500, which is a pretty unique set. It's a 7.1 surround sound gaming headset, so it should definitely help with immersion. And last but not least, since we have a big old desk, we had to get him a dedicated gaming monitor. He can obviously get by with the 4K screen on the laptop, but when he gets home and wants to dock the laptop, he'll be able to use the G34 for gaming on a bigger screen or watching content. And with that, we're good to go with this sleek, minimal gaming setup. And now, it's time to show him the new gear.
All right, guys, so Carl just got here. He's at the door. Let's let him see what he's got. All right, Carl. You already know.
This is even my crap.
Right? Check it out, man. Yeah, man, that's all you. So you got right here the Lenovo Slim 7. This is a gaming laptop, but it's super portable. We were gonna give this away to you, but we figured why not just do like an entire desk setup. So we've got a few other Lenovo products. We got the Lenovo M500, H500 large mouse pad, and we got the G34 over here, so you got an extended monitor, widescreen, and you know, of course, on a desk with RGB lights and the...
I'm gonna be a PC gamer now.
So you're all set, man. This is you. This is all you need.
Thank you. Oh my God.
We had to move your girl's desk so that we could get this.
Setup is better this way though.
I think so too. So you got the headset, you got the mouse, you got the laptop, and what's nice is that even if you don't want to be confined to this desk, you can always just pop everything out, and then like look how thin. That's a slim laptop, man. So you can throw that in your backpack.
I've been telling you I need a new laptop. So we gonna hug on camera.
Oh, this guy. All right, so mission complete. Carl's all set up now. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing Carl get his own little desk set up. I think he's gonna be pretty happy here, but Carl's like, yeah.
So thanks again to Lenovo and AMD for sponsoring today's video.
Everything, of course, will be linked down below in the description. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.
Peace.